This isn't just meat, it's about to become something soft, spicy and totally addictive. I'm about to show you how to make fresh homemade Nigerian wara, and trust me, it is easier than you think. Ready? Let's turn this milk into magic. Ingredients: I'll be needing 2 liters of raw fresh cow milk, and then this my coagulant, which is sodium apple leaf, also known as bonbon. You can either use lemon juice, lime or even vinegar in case you don't have access to this leaf. So first things first, pluck out the leaf because we are making use of the stem. After that, rinse the stem with clean water. Okay, fold and transfer the washed stem into your mortar and pound until smooth. We are needing the juice from the stem in making of this wara. Okay, pound the leaf very well until smooth. After pounding, transfer your pounded leaf into the fresh milk so that it can release all the juice into it. After that, wash your sieve and pass the milk through the sieve so that everything can be well mixed together. Once done, cover up the milk and then transfer to your source of feed. Cook this milk slowly on a medium heat for about 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, when you check, you will see that all the milk has cuddled up together thanks to our bonbon leaf. Once cooked, a thick foamy particle will be on top of the milk. Use your spoon and take that out. Okay, turn off the heat at this time. And this is the point where you have to shape your wara. You can shape your wara into balls, cubes or flat ones, but today I want to go the real Fulani way. So I'm using a local basket to shape it into this cone-like shape you always see on those Fulani people selling. You can add a little bit of salt, which is optional. It is not necessary and it is not compulsory. Okay, so once you have formed your shape, allow it to cool in the basket or in whatever container you are using to shape it before transferring into cold water. Okay, just because the basket cannot go round at once, so we have to transfer the already cold one into cold water and then we use the basket for the other ones. Wara is rich in complete protein which helps repair body tissue, build muscles and support a healthy immune system. Because it's made from fresh cow milk, wara provides a good dose of calcium, essential for strong bones and teeth. Wara contains little or no carbs, making it ideal for people on low carb or keto diets. Wara is rich in essential nutrients such as vitamin B12, phosphorus and magnesium. Also, it is easily digestible. Okay, once cold and the whole shape has been fully formed, transfer the milk back into the water of which it was cooked in. Do not throw the water you used in cooking it away. It is as rich as the wara itself because it is purely milk, no water, no additive, no preservative, just pure wholesome goodness. Wara, a local Nigerian cheese, is commonly eaten by the Fulani, Hausa and Yoruba people and is also popular among vegetarians for its high protein and natural meat-free goodness. You can enjoy your wara just like that, soft and fresh, or drop it in hot oil for a crispy outside and creamy inside. If you have found this video helpful and useful, please click on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't get to miss any beautiful and interesting videos, as new videos will be dropping every week. So until next week when I come again, God bless you and bye.